Pokey, you're looking nice today.
When you go broke for Pokey, master, you have to dress up nice.
Don't make me go in there, girl.
What curtain you have?
Lift up me now, man. No, I can't do it. I'm not so skilled. No skill like a damn tea. Thank you.
Eh?
So cold family can. Nothing, you're too damn ready, I. Things a black man with no hands. Right, I'm going to take that, you know.
You can sit there now.
No, you remember what I take that. See? I'm not going to road on you. You pull up the side going from the can pull up the right and you know. Yes, sir. That much like that, man. You're not so strong with one, what do you? Huh?
What? Yeah.
Then we said probably have something like on, man, the pump.
How you feel today?
No, that piece of the boat, like, would have back up.
Yeah. Alright, you go find the people, you know. Andy. Why are they easy, you know? Hi. Pokey, one lover, so he said. You see me?
But you know, say, you know, you're going to drink white rum before you start work?
Me? When me go to road, I sit down there, what do you do? Alright.
Once you have us, the one and the other thing.
Go in front, this go far. Go in front, you go far. Go in front, this go far.
You want a cup to go work with you? You don't want a cup to go work with you? Who no top song with you, man, so? But look on them without helmets, sir. I have to take bus come back, you know, because the way the thing I set up Mandeville, I can't wait, you know. And I'm going to set up, I'm going to bring my 10 pound Knoxford. You see me?
And next move.
And then we just go camp out. Then I go camp out with you know. We don't know, but me have to there.
I want to put down the car still, you know.
Have a good evening, sir. Put on your shoes. Okay. Take your time, roll out.
Yes.
May the Lord be with you.
So remember if the bus we make you know when you're forward. And if when you talk to soldier, when you talk to soldier can get a date when you can come link in. You better for we, so we can not this you can ask for the
We could take a picture. Come. I'm not filming now. Alright, you turn up one.
You see your pants, sir?
It's everything, man.
Alright, sir.
Let me put my hand on my camera.
I can't look that way,
You can record, right? This video too.
No, can't record and take picture. See.
Yes, you can. Give me the camera.
Turn on me, Jenna. Yeah, man. Can't
Kimbo.
You can't take the one way you want. You see it?
You see it?
And delete the one way you want.
Kimbo, me say.
Akimbo. Alright.
Kimbo, me
That one
Kimbo.
good.
Kimbo, me Kimbo. Come on, me.
Bye. Ciao. Get
Hello, miss. You look white and nice. Are you a white girl? We never see a white girl so sexy yet.
Leg and tie, breast and wing.
Leg and tie, breast and wing. You have it all. Yes, me dear. See you later.
Ah, yes.
Fire for you. You have goodwill. Thing in a nigga. But you this is not each other, guys. She's busy, she's been busy working. You look good, you're changing here.
Not really. Just put on something. You just look different.
Run up on the thing, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No problem, man. Yeah, man. Straight coconut shell, no?
So this is the raw material, Rasta?
Yeah, this is the raw material first. Then we put them in white.
Yes.
And after now, we just...
And is you carve them out this way?
Yeah, man. All of them, man. We make them, man.
Okay.
From the 1970s, we start work on coconut shell, man.
Yes.
But first, pins we start with.
Yes.
Pins first. Yeah.
And you do the art yourself?
Yeah, man. You do everything, no man, no do nothing.
Okay.
Man, I'm really good thing, you know.
Yes.
Creative.
So you make the pins with lions first?
Yeah, all different type of leaves. All different.
And the motherland?
Eh?
And the motherland, Africa?
Yeah.
We have right on the one Rasta.
Eh?
Blessed love.
We just want to jobless.
Jobless.
Yeah,
And
that's
the other one
my name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, your name is Jobless?
Like, I mean, you know, I don't right name, but
Yes.
you know, yeah, jobless.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So when the people them see you're jobless?
Oh, they must see me over the world all the time, you know.
Yes, but we have put up on a different channel, see
on
them way.
YouTube, you know.
Yes.
We have 8 different episodes by YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. For Jamaica, good life.
But Rasta man, honestly understand say, right now is a continuation of a good life.
Have a good life.
Yes.
Yeah, but you have to, because it's only that can carry through. You know. It's good life not mean only one life, midlife, every life.
Yes.
Everything what is a baby and grow belongs to life.
Right.
Anything what is a baby and grow. That's why you see me, you know, cut down the one that can move up and down. The thing what is a baby and grow and it can move around. Me no cut that. Me cut the one that can move like this.
Right.
The baby and grow to the thing can move up and down. So
right.
me cut this one. But the one that can move up and that's why me no eat nothing, no flesh, no meat, no fish, nothing from 1972.
Yes.
Yeah. You know what I mean? But our brothers and sisters is like we are tricked, so you have to forgive. But if you blame, they won't carry hatred. And if you forgive, they show love.
So we are supposed to show some form of forgiveness towards each other.
Towards yeah, because my brother and sister them tricked from long time. When you're a baby, you know, them capture you, you get captured.
Yeah.
Yeah man, by they plant things in our parents to give me. But first, mama give me something named drumstick, that is chicken leg.
Right.
As a baby.
Right.
Then, when you grow up now, you can tell, say, in that nothing eat. You have to go to it, but our mama give you. But you see your mother will give you, our mama will give us.
her mother give her. So you're coming back from way back when Viv come right till we drop out now, then we give to a child. You know, but those things is corruption to a system.
So we have to learn to give each other and show the love.
Yeah, yes, man. I just saw it there, you know, because we don't have nothing more. Because
So-
we don't see anything more.
You feel like that can make a difference, Rasta?
But the love of the poor through people, because the corruption come through people. So the love of it go back through people, if you cut out the corruption. If the corruption come through people, that's corruption could go on. But the more material things make, the more corruption go on. Remember,
Right.
you know, when I and I were a child, we could have lived down in the town, not in the town, all worse than a son, and we could have long and sleep in the road. Without a vehicle, when a vehicle go past. And if you go in that town, you can't even know for what. So this is the more material things, the more people carry hatred for one another. You know, mean only in Jamaica, you know, I mean the world thing, you know. The more material things, the more corruption. Yeah. I don't know about all the material.
So we have to get back to basics then.
Yeah, that's the only way the liberty can go still be fixed there and our children.
Yes.
You have to go back to the naturality. That's naturality, that's the only thing can carry through.
Right.
Because remember, you know, we are the children of the slave. And we are still enslaved. And we are the children. See? You know, but if I and I poor parents we see, oh, I and I children live now, they would cry because the pain why and I people feel and we are the children. And it's coming like we are not, we don't know how to live amongst each other. I don't know about myself and my belly full, I don't know about you when you hungry. That's why I don't call people neighbors. I'm not call people friends, not neighbors. Because when you say friend, you like it too far. When you say neighbors, it appears from over the fence. Are your neighbors? No, I'm a brother and sister over there. Which friend? My brother and sister across, they cannot finish it because they don't have the inside. You see your inside, that's you. You kill your own self. You know, some people feel so well then there is somebody going to call up and feel help. Nobody will do. Help yourself. You're your own God. There is no one to call up and feel to help yourself.
So
yeah? Yeah, man. Nobody can help you, man. Help yourself. 5 people give you $1 million, tell them you can't help you.
If you know, you're willing to try and help yourself.
Yeah, you know what you can help yourself? Life.
Yes.
Because I go to see the man do. Right now you can push through, I think you go. That's right. So to show you say these things what they teach us to go after is destruction for your system. We want the solid thing to make the father tradition grow. We want the solid thing, but our brother and sister we forgive them, but they don't know. But they teach we their way, so we have to hurt. You know, see it. But the man who teach you them gone a long time. Them you never see them dead, but them work still carry on for them put it through people. So them work still carry on. That destruction.
So that means to say we not lose hope then, fireman.
Eh?
You can't lose hope then.
Lose
God bless.
hope.
Yeah.
I mean, if your hope is conscious, if your hope is right hope, you can lose it. But a lot of people are different. So if your hope is righteous, because the powers are not earth, no one don't know it.
Right.
We only lead by people ideas. The powers is not earth, what is the right powers? We turn the way them said, we turn your back against it. And we love up the things what they for the technology set up. Machinery things, it's their technology. We don't go with that. We go with anything what is a baby and grow. That's what I go with. We don't do what. We use them things, you know, because we're born to sleep and everybody using it. But not say I love my brothers and hate my brothers and sisters and love their things.
Which don't make any sense.
Look here how I work hard.
Yes.
For a thing. And I buy a thing. Say me buy a vehicle. When we see a lot of things happening now. Say me buy a vehicle. And a person scratch it. When we say scratch it, like give me a bad drive, then I'll mash it.
Yes.
I cannot rot with that person. That's me.
Right.
Because it's machine made, that is man made. But man can't make you. Flesh and blood. Nothing, no machine made not what a baby and grow. So when I war against you, I war against the father tradition.
Right.
Where are you from?
You know, we are Mandeville in a Mandeville Good Life crew. I'm Elvis, and this is Obi.
Yes, fire. Yeah, man.
Like, you know, see there already.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
This is
But
Mandeville Good Life
my virgin
crew.
will do the thing with the Manchester and the hills in come from.
Yes, from Norway.
So you know the idea, man.
Yes, man. This is just a branch of the crew.
Oh,
Cause
so I just said link, man.
yes,
I just said link. So the idea powerful, man. That a virgin they powerful, you know.
yes.
Yeah.
Cause the energy where we generate is supposed to.
I am set up. So you never see the program for them.
Yeah, man.
You see my program already then?
No, we don't get to watch all of them.
You watch none?
We watch a few.
If I interview me, I'll listen to already.
Yes. Yes. So people, this is jobless.
Yeah, man.
You know, create a whole heap of heart so people them who don't have no heart,
Love.
who don't have no love, can get piece of the love right here.
Yeah, man, that's straight love, innit?
You know?
You know, have nothing more than that. My belly full when you see person be like that.
Right.
But no demand that.
I feel the energy. So take a different angle. So
You never know if
Yeah.
man up on the scene.
you know that man jobless.
This is the recruit. This is the expanded now. Good boy. I'm sending upon the works, you know.
Who's the guy? I don't do that. I don't give orders. I know I don't send no one to work. I don't need no one to work for an next person. So I couldn't do that. You need to have one mind. But into my virgin you can say that.
You see the thing out now.
You tell me that you're doing a good job because that virgin you were even as a child. When you go into school, you eat from my own. And you pick up this and you say, man, you do a good job. That's the difference.
You see the world, see it now.
Yeah, but
We have whole lot.
because in your eye question is like the eye said you know. So me I said, away from and tell me say, up the cool man.
Yeah, man, this is jobless.
Yeah, man.
You never know him on the channel.
The channel, come on, if you say the name, and you talk about jobless already.
Yeah, man, it was a heavy thing to look for.
Everything.
Heavy.
What?
The works.
Heavy.
Yeah.
But you can manage it. You never heavier than me. Because you check it out before you go out. So you're supposed to know that you can manage it.
Yeah, man.
You couldn't manage it. Take a break.
Well, it's just so good to know that the world system with the right, just so. You see his strength lift me up when I was on the journey. I wouldn't even talk much, but I lift it up, you know. And you see when I lift it up and the people don't feel it, them say, what is going on?
But I didn't hear from you for a long time. I said,
Because I said, watch how me just lift it up and then come right back. I said, boom. Boom. And many things try to stop me now.
The powers of righteousness, it's a clear road. If you walk on that road, nothing will stop you. You will find, listen, they stop what they try to stop you going to make you stronger. Coming down a hill, a lot of water coming down. You try to block it and see if you don't find a way to run. A lot of water coming down. Try to block it and see if you don't find something.
Right.
So the strength within you, from his goodness towards life, he cannot run. For his life.
Cannot
Life
run.
belongs to life. No,
Right.
No machine cannot make that.
Right.
Don't forget something new. We have balance. Now we need change.
What's your last do, brother?
You remember saying we didn't have balance. So we need change now.
You know what you're doing. You know your package. Do what you want to do. You know what you want to do. And you don't have to worry about for the package. You don't have to use my package. You don't have to go for it.
How the student?
Which one of them you like, Rodney?
Eh?
All of them look good.
No, there's one who said change. See it here.
Which one said change?
This one.
You see something like that?
This is the student.
Don't you know what it's doing?
Things that change right there, son. Balance and change.
Well, you know the strength. You know the strength that you do. You know, like if you come 1 year from the bar.
You know what the man said?
So listen, the strength that you do now, and listen, it's a package. You have to do your work. I didn't call, I'm not call. What if you have to do it? I don't have to call no one to do it. The work has to be done, but I do have to call no one. But I know, you shall ever win. But I really see, I was part of that, you know, so they'll do part 2.
Yeah. I'm coming back. You see him? Obi is people iron and is Elvis.
Elvis, press up. I'm here, Elvis, press up.
So we have to do change now. So I went over that balance, now it's time to change.
Man, you don't believe say animal to kill and eat.
That's the thing that I don't believe I know. When you don't believe, I don't know.
Right.
Yeah, Papa.
Thank you, brother.
Right. So you know.
I know. All moving things. But bonds are made, they have their use, they have work to do. They are so powerful. But I know the cause why everything happened. But it has to fix by us.
Yes. Yes. Because them can't fix it.
One day it's gonna spread out and fix it.
Right.
But the link is gonna be there. So.
Yes.
Come in, because if you don't let out, you're going to blast in you, because things going to force in you and you have no space for it. So you have to let it out to receive. So you have space.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
I am very full of a lot of things. And what I do, I have my place where I, like, you know, when you have some people call it butchery, and some people where they gather things, where you put things. Yeah, me have place where I put my things. You know me, like something like this.
I know,
like,
mental.
Mental, yeah, I have place to put it, but I cannot, all of it cannot keep in me. So
Yeah.
you have to have place to put it. But when I'm ready, I can go for it, and it cannot be damaged. You know? So I can go and say, well then, okay, I can go and pick out what I want, and I put it there.
Right.
Like how you would have a place where you put all the clothes, and when you want one to wear, you just when you want one to wear, you just
You find one and put
yes,
it on
that's
where
it.
suit
So
the
that
occasion.
core of righteousness,
Right.
the amount of things, brethren, things coming to me to show why we cannot love each other, and people have been damaging over the world. Things coming every day. We know the cause of them. And we cannot just stop it like that so quickly. We cannot just stop it so quickly.
No.
Because it will hurt you.
So
We have to graduate. You have to graduate.
it's a process.
It's a process. Because
Right.
if I am 66 and when we reach all 500 and people say, 500-year-old, so why do you be 500? That's the way them going to change now for them why want to be that too.
Right.
They would.
Right.
So you cannot school a one with ignorance. You cannot school a one with ignorance.
Yes.
Where you from? Germany? Where you from?
Norway.
That's in Europe. You speak English?
I'm gonna be back, Elvis.
Where you
Work
going?
on that for me.
Yeah,
We'll
man.
come back.
Come here. Where is your
So-
teacher?
So we have to teach each other.
I don't I can explain to tell my brother how I come about things.
It's a natural thing that
Yeah, but-
just come naturally, or
It come, yeah?
it's a natural thing that come to you, or
Yeah, it's come things because you know, I am the way I grew up been brutal. I've been condemned from even my mother. Nobody at all. I condemned. No. So me grew up
rough.
terrible.
Yes.
But what happened now? In my growing is like I've been seeing things because I see people who try to hurt me get destroyed without me destroy them. So I see that it's best to do good amongst life. Because that power in we, there is no other power, you know, but in we, anything what will have life, that's where the power is. Anything have life, that's where the power is. But what happened, you know, we wreck by through the system of the orders what they give out. We tell what people things, you know, and then them think that is not so important. And to the long run, you have to say yes. You see school
Yes.
that didn't exist. It's mankind.
Then Rasta, you know, feel like it's a purpose why the school is there.
That school is a purpose, yes.
Right.
But it's not coming from the powers of righteousness. It's coming to build their society living what they set. The school. Because listen about school now. You start to say yourself because your school lasts 3 years. Okay? The teacher was teaching you, there's an next teacher what the teacher teacher. And the next teacher teach. So that foundation they set. I understand.
Yeah, listen,
Me
man.
like a question you ask me.
Yeah, man,
But
I
you have to
listen.
explain tell
Yes,
you how it
man.
go.
Yes, man, I'm listening.
Okay, they set these things from a long time, so it runs through for people. As you die, you pick up the same thing. You die, you pick up the same. The one who lie, pick up the same thing. So the school now, the teacher will teach you. There's that next teacher will teach, another teacher will teach.
Right.
But this is one orders what they set to run their way.
Right.
No, you start school from 3. You go to BAM, then you go to primary school. Then you can go to high school then. So your parents can afford to send you to college. What that mean? What is your intention? To get a big job. What that mean? To collect money.
Right.
That's when you have the money now, then you want a big mansion, you want millions of dollars in the, and you don't have no thinking of the powers of righteousness. You're gone to their way, and then you just get melted out and leave all those things what you go through that school and your parents.
And all those years you
And
work.
all those years you're gone because you do is not the right road, is mankind tradition.
But that not everybody want comfort, Rasta.
Yes, but that is not the comfort. You only comfort today and no comfort tomorrow.
No, because if you don't treat your body right, later tomorrow you won't have it.
Listen, this is not a body, this is a goodie. Right. But what I'm saying, because we understand.
A goodie.
We understand because it's bad when it is bad for you.
Right.
It's right. But when it's good, it's good.
It's a goodie, right?
But I'm telling you, listen, I don't blame no one at this time of living because
Right.
every living person are innocents.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? But what they're teaching you to take you away from the truth of righteous. Because we look on a breadfruit on the tree and take it. If it's just a breadfruit, but which machine can make it and you eat it? Well, yeah, you know that's what I'm saying. We step over the truth. We don't look at the truth. We look at the wrongs. But the wrongs is so beautiful. The wrong is so comfortable.
It's enticing, it look appealing.
Yeah, that's it. You know what I mean?
But it just
What happened? You know, a farmer who do plants, who plant in the bush. It's a bigger work they do more than the person who work in the bank. Because they work with support grow. But in the bank, this be a machinery thing what don't grow.
right.
So you're working there, and I want to say yes, it's officially work. But time to come, you're structure weak to the system because you don't work with the natural.
So you begin to be like the system.
you don't, if that's the only thing going to last forever.
System.
The righteous, this is not the system of Babylon, the system of righteousness.
Righteousness,
That's the
right.
only thing can last forever. Because look, if you notice all what's going on, all what man set up and tear down, you don't see rain and stuff and sun and sunshine.
No.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why here for that's
right.
here from
Forever.
From forever.
Right.
So the thing what they teach us is cut we off a road. We're not
Right.
gonna be here forever if we don't love the thing what we feel love.
Right.
Right. You see what I'm saying, you?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. But what happened now with brothers and sisters, I don't know. So what every living person are innocent. So I only can speak, but I don't blame.
Right.
You understand me?
Right.
I only speak about the things what happening, but I don't blame who doing the things what not to do.
That's why we have to learn to forgive each other.
If you don't forgive, you have a problem. You can carry hatred. And listen, when you blame, you're going to carry hatred. So if you keep on the blame, you're going to hate me.
Right.
Make a good life.
Everything I see. Everything you see. The experience I get. You know, the people, the love, the wealth of love. You know, Jamaica good life. You know when I really go and see a Jamaican, I hear a Jamaican, I know a Jamaican, you know. So I say, I believe that Jamaicans are the most hospitable person in the world. You understand? Because from early we know, love people. You understand? Not just your own. Love everybody. You know? So Jamaica good life is everything what you see. Because when you can see it, you have life. Once you have life, you have home. When you have home, give thanks.
Yes, Jamaica, good life. See it there? Oh, yes, yes, yes. See, the rich man is on the beach. The poor man is in the office. The conqueror is on the beach. The poor man is in the office.
I drink the same bowl, so I chuck off.
Look at the dog, you know. Go to now, man. All right. See you later.
You can't screech it for me.
You feel me?
This is one whole sitting at tourist fast to hear me.
You think that way?
Running. Ref called me and said, see what I go and you see me here today at Dover. You said out here already?
A doorway?
Yeah, he said he see me here today.
Yeah.
The white man let me show you when he send the money for me. He go live today. Pokey. Remember something in the video on the today?
The man, he got live for a short period.
Okay.
He got live for a short period.
You can't remember that one. What's it that tourist pass me? Finger licking and soon come back here. Me nothing one day. The new part of this. Are they up the beach and soon whatever.
People. All right. Thank you. Let's take a picture. What is up? Jesus Pork lighthouse. Look how Pokey look like a lighthouse. With him light on the head like him a coal miner. A lighthouse, you look like lighthouse.
He was right, that's what means no.
Come over here with your lighthouse set. Boy yourself, Pokey, you look like lighthouse.
I've seen everyone talk, man. Say right here, right here.
Come over here, sir. Next year.
You don't see one white man every year in the car carry light. Don't beat me up, my yard. Don't beat me up so bad. You wish up, my
Jamaica good life, see how they take your time. Yeah, make them know.
Right, there's somebody down a bank gate.
Yeah, make them know.
That's a down a bank gate.
Yeah, 88779976.
Yeah.
Talk your mind. Leg and tie, breast and wing, pork and breadfruit, chicken and bread. Finger licking, we say straight.
Aye.
Now regret your money.
I in a bank, I want to put you.
Master God, I'm going to tell you about it. Yeah, man, that's why you love big stuff. Ready chicken, ready pork. Finger licking, talk your mind. Leg and tie, breast and wing, pork and bread for chicken and bread. Fire strong, see that? Only using that thing. So I go on.
If I did pork man a taste, you know.
You like pork?
No? If I did pork man a taste, you know. For real, I smell good.
Tastes good, eat good, everything.
It smell good, man. If I did pork man a eat piece.
Yeah. Something, baby.
So Pokey.
This is my working shirt tomorrow. I'm gonna be full black tomorrow.
So I work just every day. Eh?
I'm a uniform.
Oh, make sure it's every day. Nah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool on the fire.
Where?
No high fire speaking.
A low fire.
Call it pretty chicken down a bank here in front Burger King. Talk your mind like anti breast and wing. Pork and breadfruit, chicken and bread. Talk your mind.
Coming on every bar. You know, every bar.